What up guys, it's your boy Ron at AR. So in some previous footage, I did go over our boy Johnny Cage's car, which was sold to my customer in Texas. But we finally put the wheels on. We're gonna do some test drives. We're gonna do some pools, kind of just showcase the car for you. We'll do some B-rolls. But here is the final product. I'm about to start this baby up right now. It has a full exhaust. It's slammed. It has the race pocket E88s. Yeah, let's fire this bad boy up. And oh shit! Film that. Fuck. Mark's a bitch. You gotta press the alarm. Oh. Damn it. Mark's a bitch. Stop. Mark's a bitch. Alright guys, let's whip this thing out. Obviously this car is extremely low. My car is pretty low too, so when it comes to these steep driveways, gotta reverse out of these bad boys. But let's see how this car does with the new setup. Get this going, got this shit warmed up. Let's go. Was not expecting that. It went a little sideways with one hand, but it is what it is. Very nice. So one thing I really like about what Johnny did to this car is he did a lot of cool upgrades for the interior. He did the Momo F1 steering wheel with the Alcantara suede, which is one of my favorites. I mean, some people like the Time Attack line. I definitely like it. It's one of my favorite things to do, but something that's really cool is he integrated this Alpine iPad integration. Kind of updates the car. It's done properly, it looks clean, has a radio, has Bluetooth, it's all basically integrated in the car, which is really nice, man. And he did a really good job on this. Obviously he did the Recaro bucket seats, super clean, and yeah, just overall a really clean build, man. Johnny did a good job, and I know the new owner, his name's HD. He has a few cars of himself. He builds cars, but this is a great buy. First time driving it right now, I'm actually pretty impressed. It's really comfortable, it's reliable, probably daily this, but super badass. And yeah, Mark's a piece of shit.
What's up guys, it's your boy Mark. Welcome back to the channel. You might be wondering where I'm at right now. I got a glass of wine with me, the green here, but check this out. Look at this, you guys. This is a wine event at the Rolling Hills Country Club, and they got all these wine tasting going on here, and obviously it's like a little car show. You can bring your car and you get like a discount on the wine tasting. There's a CGT back there. We'll go check those out, but it's pretty sick. Look at this. Got a fucking Indy car over here, just chilling. And the coolest part, I've never been to anything like this. The coolest part is this whole thing is on a golf course, which is super fucking sick. And I mean, obviously the GTR is here, you know what I'm saying? Shit is gleaming and fucking, it's pretty sick. So let me just go around, show you guys some of the cars, some of this event, so you guys can just check it out. Look at this chopper though. Little Senna real quick. Nice. We got a Rosa right here, Testarossa. This is not a TR for those of you TR fans. The TR didn't have this grille right there, and the front, these lights are different. I know about TRs, so these lights are different on the TR. The lip is color matched. But yeah, there's a lot of improvements. But I love Testarossas. I always loved that when I was a kid. Got a GTR AMG. Sick ass Ferrari. Sick. I'm trying to walk fast, guys, because I'm sweating balls over here. And then yada yada over there. We got a little Ghost right here, STO. Damn, look at that GTR just chilling, bro.
That dude was so sick.
Sick. Ooh, I like the display. That looks cool. Steering wheel, I don't like. I'm sorry? Oh, awesome. Nice trunk space. It's nice, guys.
2 days ago. That's my hesitation.
It's very nice. You guys see the display over here? It's nice. Touchscreen? It is. Fantastic. And this is kind of nice. Got this little unit back there. I don't know how you get to it. Is this storage unit back here accessible?
Yeah.
How?
So press that little carrot, the up arrow in the middle. Right
This?
there. Hold it down for a second. Let go. Okay, good.
Wow. See that, guys? That's kind of cool. I was like, there's got to be a way. I mean, there's no way, you know? And then...
Just press it again, yeah. There you go.
Very cool. And I love the display. Something I haven't seen before.
Very good.
Alcantara.
Alpaca wool.
Beautiful. It's cool. All right, guys. That's basically it. Got a bottle of wine from my friend Ashley. I'm completely sober, and we're gonna take the GTR home, where she belongs. But yeah, shout outs to Rolling Hills Country Club. This is a really cool event. I think I'd like to do some sort of a car event here. This is a cool little bottle of wine. My friend Ashley, she's an artist, so she drew all this stuff. Little follow the white rabbit, kind of cool. But yeah, as always, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to call that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.